Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. Well, this funky image, that's what I shot long time ago. This is not digital, this is analog. I used a lithophone and multiple exposure to make this image. And drawing these handcuffs, lightning type stuff too. Wow, that's long time ago. Well, this is an image that today's subject, and also I made this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop. Used filter called Find Edges. Now, this one, turn it off now, and now what I can do from this image. Well, let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna start from this lightning. This is since I draw on pencil that time, so it's not looks like lightning. So I want to fix this first. Since this is a digital now, we have lots of different technologies and maybe express somehow different way. Okay, I'm gonna move this empty layer in between this pencil drawing and this base image, and let's turn this one down maybe about 40% or so, and let's see this pencil drawing type image also. Then change the blend mode to darken so we can see through the base image also. Now what I can do, I don't know how it's gonna turn out. I'm gonna check this brush watercolor. Well, let's see if it's a good idea to use watercolor or maybe painting. Well, let's check out this brush to something drawing. Well, let's see. Change blend mode again on this pencil drawing type. Darken to multiply. Well, this lightning effect is alright. I'm gonna make mask later on. But now, this pencil drawing is pretty interesting too, right? Get some colors, some of them from this with mask. Well, let's make mask. Okay, I'm gonna make darken on this pencil drawing type image, and then create empty mask. Now invert mask. Then I'm gonna reveal this main image, base image. Let's choose, okay, painting 2, wet brush 2. Okay. Now I'm gonna hide this around here. Let's see. Check this. Then also create empty mask. Now it's hide. It's same brush. Then now next, about this image, I'm gonna paint on the outside here, top and bottom. Paint on this base image black, or I may change the base here, convert to pixel layer on base, paint with black or same color from background of the base image. This is a real black. Okay, then I'm gonna choose here too. Oops, what's this? Oh, is that here? Base image? Okay, I'm gonna convert to pixel layer on this base image also. So now I can paint on this here, right? Well, wait a minute, go back to pixel layer. Not yet. I'm gonna, just in case, I'm gonna duplicate this layer and just for keep it, cut mask, no mask, just base image, just for in case. I'm gonna just turn it off on this. Then now I'm gonna convert this layer to pixel layer. Now I can touch, I can paint on this here, so I don't need to paint on here either. Okay, now pick some color, then paint on here. Okay. Okay, now top. Okay, pretty much done for this. Now, what's next? Okay, this is a mask, and I'm gonna clean up this one. I'll paint on white. Okay, now it's clear. Now let's see about here. I see this. I'm gonna hide this. Now I see. Okay, then maybe I want to put something watercolor background, some shadow color, round detail, and watercolor wash flat, no color, only water. Change brush, wash soft. Just blue. I'm gonna add water. Change brush. Same thing. About this mask, I'm gonna fix some. I want this handcuffs to be more emphasized somehow. How about using this base image? Now I'm gonna duplicate this base image again, duplicate layer, then turn this one off. To keep it again, create empty mask, then invert mask. Now I'm going to reveal this soft brown opacity. First, try it. Well, we see handcuffs here now, right? Now let me see. Let me move this layer on top of this base. Then let's see. Yeah, a little bit better, but not enough. So normal to, let me change the blend mode. If it's turn out, well, linear burn, darker color, lighten screen. Well, not much what I expected. I want these handcuffs to be much more interesting. Well, how about overlay, and let me see if I change something, color balance or hue saturation. Well, let me see, brightness, contrast, then affect only this handcuffs, brightness, contrast, then again add hue saturation, and also how about color balance, turn this one off, one show some, turn this one off too, now only this balance. Now see shadow. Yeah, I've got just complicated, so I'm gonna delete this. Also delete this. Now I'm gonna control only color balance. Now it's this one is mask, right? So I'm gonna make this mask to be a little more clean. Okay, now let's see. I'm gonna change this color, right? This one. Yeah, it goes darker. Midtones, highlight, shadow. Change this image. Layer properties, color balance, like so. Okay, then now I want to lighten up her face, this model's face. So this time, let's see. I'm gonna duplicate layer, then go up here, then now turn it on, make mask. Oh well, let's see if well, just hold on a second, let me turn this one off and let me try if I can make another color balance or brightness contrast. Well, brightness contrast, oh, I think we can do that, huh? Then how about make mask? Oh, okay, we can make create empty mask on this color balance. Then I'm gonna invert mask. So in this case, I can touch on this base image, which is this image. Now let's see, reveal this mask with model's face now. Then, well, I'm gonna touch up some later. Just see brightness. We can see more fear expression, huh? When you turn it up. Ooh, man, gotta be beautiful. Then a little bit more contrast on this mask. Well, okay, I'm gonna delete this mask. I just duplicate this, but I don't need that way. I just change her face here with this mask, right? Okay, that's good. Now I'm gonna just touch up this mask first. Lighten up here. Okay. Now I'm gonna just adjust brightness. This is too much. I want to change the color balance too. Okay, brightness around here, contrast fine. Then okay, can I make this copy? Okay, we can copy mask. Copy this. Then add color balance. Then I'm gonna paste mask. That's fine. Then I'm gonna change the color on her face. A little bit more yellow. Touch red. Touch green. That's midtones. Now shadow area goes less red, which is cyan. and more yellow. This is shadow area. Now highlight side. Highlight goes a little bit more red and touch yellow. And just a little bit magenta, reddish, healthy. Okay, let's see. This mask. You see some yellowish, but touch more healthy. This is kind of sickness, huh? Well, I want her to be healthy. Look. Now about here. This is just brightness contrast, so just a touch more contrast up, then brightness down, about this much. Yeah. Even though her makeup is kinda punk, but that's fine. That's what it is. Okay, now we see this image illustration. Well, I guess that's about it for today, and yeah, this is pretty interesting. Well, this channel is Impressive Image Maker channel, so I don't have to paint or everything. I don't have to draw and everything. Well, just make impressive image. So I hope this movie is gonna give you some kind of idea for your creative work, and I really appreciate for you guys' support. Well, see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.